Hello everyone, today I will introduce how to connect the compressor, the tank, and the dryer, also the precision filter.
Here's square compressor, 2 air tank, and 1 air dryer, and 5 precision filter or light filter.
First, let's take a look at the configuration of the compressor. This one is a variable speed compressor, also called PMVSD compressor. This compressor uses inovance inverter.
Inovance inverter, and this controller language can be many language. Chinese, English, Spanish, French.
Also, let's see our motor and the air end. We use the motor from Jiangtian. The protection level is IP55. Also, the air end is from Baosi. It's Chinese top brand.
You can check our inside.
If you want higher configuration, we can use the air end from handbell AB, and handbell AC.
Or AH,
Yes.
AB, AC, AH.
Yes. We connect the 2 air tank. This is air outlet. For the size, you can contact our sales to decide what's your compressor. This is 1,000 liter air tank. You can connect 2. If you need all, or just connect 1. 2 air tank. This is a precision filter. Precision filter with automatic draw wheel. This is the first, the second, third, fourth, totally 5 stage precision filter. This is the air dryer for high pressure, 16 bars, for laser cutting.
Special for laser cutting. And air tank outlet in the light filter, precision filter, then to burn here. From here, enter in air dryer, and here outlet of the air dryer outlet, and like this. You can check.
The black rubber is 1.5 meter each.
Here is the final outlet.
This tank is in green color. We also have tank in green color. Yes, green color.
Normally
Yes.
ours is green color. This one is normally green color. This blue color is OEM for one customer. And for precision filter or light filter, also you can choose this tape. This tape price will be cheaper, but not so good like this tape. Now this totally you can check. It's very easy and good for use. One complete set.